And moving on now, a mundane Monday afternoon turned deadly after a sudden spell of storm and rain caused a billboard to collapse on a fuel station, killing 14 and injuring close to 44, while 31 people have been discharged so far from the hospital. The visuals show the structure crashing down right in the middle of the refueling facility, trapping many underneath the debris. The Maharashtra Chief Minister Eknath Shinde has called for a high-level probe into the legality of such a big billboard. The Maharashtra government has also announced an ex gratia amount of 5 lakh rupees to the kin of those who have lost their lives in this horrific tragedy. Rescue operations today remain underway. And in a big development, the additional commissioner of the BMC, Ashwini Joshi, has passed an order to remove the rest of the hoardings under the Disaster Management Act.
The Ghatkopar incident case, the Pantnagar police station have registered an FIR against the Ego Media Private Limited and its owner Bhavesh Bhinde under the IPC section 304, 337 and 338 and 304. No arrests have been made in this case so far. What we are learning from our sources is that Bhavesh Bhinde is untraceable. It will be evident to see whether the statements of the other directors of the company will be recorded or not. But at the same time, when Pantnagar police is investigating this case, you can see that the Pantnagar police itself is facing the tragedy that was faced during the unprecedented rains and windy air storm last night. So there is a repair work going on at the police station itself. But on the other hand, the same police station is also investigating the case related to the illegal hoarding in which 14 people have been died. So far, 88 people have been rescued and about 10 to 15 are more feared to be trapped inside. All the agencies are mobilized, including the BMC, the fire brigade, 2 teams of NDRF, the Mumbai police. All teams are deployed at the site for the rescue operation. But at the same time, the alleged culprit of the case, the mastermind of the case, Mr. Bhavesh Bhinde, is not traceable.
सर बताइए कौन था आपके घर से, क्या एग्जैक्टली हुआ?
वो मेरा बड़ा भाई था। हम लोग 3 भाई छोटे छोटे हैं, जिम्मेदार वही भाई था। अभी वो चला गया, अब हम लोग का मदद कौन करेगा?
और आपको कब पता चला ऐसा कुछ हुआ है?
पता हम लोग फोन 1 घंटे बाद लगाए तो फोन लग ही नहीं रहा था, स्विच ऑफ बता रहा था। तो हम लोग उनके पास पता करने के लिए निकले तो देखे तो एक ऑटो वाला बताया कि उधर हादसा हो गया है। तब उधर मैं लोग भाग के गया तो देखा पुलिस वाले बहुत थे, कोई को अंदर जाने नहीं दे रहे थे उधर। तो पुलिस वाले बोले कि बॉडी हॉस्पिटल जा रही है राजावाड़ी, तुम वहाँ जाओ, वहाँ पता करो। तो यहाँ मैं आया तो बॉडी फोटो दिखाया अपने भाई का, तो पुलिस वाले बोले हाँ ये देखो है बॉडी, गए दिखाए।
सरकार जो मुआवजे की बात कर रही है तो उसमें किसी का गुजर बसर हो सकता है? छोटे बच्चे हैं, उनकी पढ़ाई लिखाई आगे क्या गुजर बसर, उनके घर परिवार का कैसा समर्थन होगा? मैं सरकार से और गवर्नमेंट से, यहाँ की लोकल गवर्नमेंट से भी यही गुजारिश करूंगा कि कम से कम बच्चों को सरकारी नौकरी तो दो, उनके आगे का गुजर बसर होने के लिए उनका गुजर बसर पालन इतने में नहीं हो पाएगा।
वो होर्डिंग जो है वो भी बीएमसी कह रहा है कि वो अनऑथोराइज था, इलीगल था।
वो 40 बाय 40 का परमिशन है होल्डिंग के लिए और वो होल्डिंग 120 बाय 120 का होल्डिंग है। और वो बीएमसी का ही कुछ घोटाला लग रहा है मुझे तो होल्डिंग में। और होल्डिंग और बीएमसी और सरकार ये तीनों ने मिलकर, और बीएमसी बोल रहा हमने नोटिस दिया था, सुबह नोटिस दिया और 4 बजे शाम को 8 बजे वो होल्डिंग गिर गया। मतलब उसमें कुछ काला ही है मुझे तो लगता है।
Meanwhile, today, due to the incident, traffic congestion is being witnessed in the Ghatkopar area as well.
What is the current situation? You're taking stock of situation?
No, you see, I met all the persons who are hospitalized. One of them is critical, he is in ICU. Others are in the general ward. And I have talked to the Chief Minister Eknath Shinde and Deputy Chief Minister Sri Devendra Fadnavis ji. And we are announcing a compensation of 50,000 rupees to the people who got hurt, and 75,000 rupees to the people who got with a permanent disability less than 60%, and 2,50,000 for the permanent disability above 60%. More than that, all the expenses of the hospital will be borne by the government and the BMC. BMC has already served them the notice to demolition 7 days back only. But before expiry of that period, it has happened. The people who have given the permission and the person who has constructed it without a proper stability systems norms to be followed has to be booked and punished.
what actions will be taken from your end as well to make sure that such incidences should not happen as the monsoon is coming in?
Already our CM and DCM has announced that they will do the structural audit of all the such big hoardings, and it will be done as fast as possible.